With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the microscope is an optical instrument which, so options are, enlarges an object, increases the visual angle formed by object and eye, decreases the visual angle formed by object and eye, and brings the object nearer. So basically, object is not brought nearer. Okay, what has happened over here? Let's suppose this is the object. So what happens is that, let's suppose this is the eyepiece lens, okay, and this is the object. Okay, this is the eyepiece lens, not the objective lens. So what will happen over here, since this object subtends an angle of what? It subtends an angle of theta. Okay, let's suppose it subtends an angle of theta. I'll show you properly. Okay, so like this, let's suppose this would have been the angle of theta. So I'll draw it properly so that you can understand in a better way. So let's suppose this is the principal axis and this is subtending an angle of theta. Okay, so basically what will happen over here, since it is subtending an angle of theta naught, let's suppose we take theta naught as it is the initial value. So what we'll get from here, this is theta naught. Okay, so if we name it theta naught, so basically what will happen, the object of this means the image of this object will form somewhat like this. Okay, and it will subtend a larger angle. Okay, so it will subtend a larger angle so that we can see the object properly. Okay, you can see this theta is much greater than the theta naught. Okay, you can see this theta is much greater than the theta naught. Theta is greater than theta naught. So what does the microscope do? Basically, it increases the visual angle of object with eyepiece. Okay, so this is basically, I was talking about, this is eyepiece only. Okay, so what will be our answer? Our answer will be option number B, which is eyepiece answer. So increase in visual angle formed by object and eye. So basically eyepiece is where the eye is. So this is only the point where we keep our eye. Okay, let's suppose this is the eye. Okay, so this is only the point where we keep our eye. Okay, so basically if this is the eyepiece, okay, then here is only the place where we keep our eye. And if you see the microscopic diagram, the object is this, but the image formed is much greater angle. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.